today we are going on a road trip in Rensselaer County. Make sure to like and subscribe and ring that bell. So I'm gonna wake up my brother for the road trip. He must be in this room. Alright. I forgot to knock, but oh well. Wake up, Ace. Wakey, wakey.
I'm so tired. I don't want to wake up.
Wake up.
Where are we going?
To a road trip.
Ooh, okay. Ooh, I'm so tired. Okay.
Alright.
Are we gonna pack our things?
Yeah, we're gonna pack up.
Make sure to lock the doors too.
Yeah, make sure.
I think the closet is right here. Oh yeah, closet is.
I'm a little sick today. So now, oh, there's a bedroom here. I didn't even know that.
It's a toilet here. But this is our new house, so it's new.
Yeah. We don't know
anything about it. I'm gonna grab my clothes real quick. All right, we have it.
Yep. I got my luggages.
All right, let's go. I'm gonna lock the door real quick.
We have so much luggage.
Yeah.
That's why we need like a lot of.
I packed up like 4 suitcases.
I packed up a lot. I'm gonna take my truck.
I'm gonna take my truck too.
All right.
With the bed on the back.
I'm gonna open the garage. Where is the button? Wait, where's? Oh, I found it. All right, I'll open both of them.
All right, let's start my car. This sounds right.
Yeah.
This is a new car we just bought.
Yeah,
Should we take all the cars?
Yeah, we should.
Yeah, we should.
Because we have way too much luggage. We need to take all the cars.
I'm gonna put like 2 luggages in my back.
You're gonna go first?
Yeah, I'm gonna go first. I'm gonna be waiting outside. Like just.
Alright.
Alright.
Oh, I almost hit the Range Rover.
Damn, you better watch out.
Alright. Yeah, let's be waiting outside.
Yeah, I'm gonna put 2 of my luggages here. Okay, I'll put it in there. You can put some in my car too.
If you have space.
Yeah. Oh, I'm gonna take my Mercedes.
I accidentally rammed your
Oh,
car.
that's fine. Oh, please, please stop.
I accidentally pushed your whole car.
You pushed it?
Yeah. Oh, that's bad parking. I pushed it. Can I drive it? I need to fix the. You're blocking the driveway.
It's fine.
Oh,
I can just.
the little gap. There's a
yeah.
little. I'm gonna take my Ford Taurus. As you can see, I bought this car in August. Oh my goodness.
Yeah, just watch out.
You can close the garage. Yeah, you can close the garage. That's a creepy noise. I really don't like it.
Yeah.
Everyone is gone today. Are they on week vacation?
Yeah, they're not even in.
Oh, and I hope it doesn't rain. It's cloudy.
It's cloudy.
You
Yeah.
have exited dashcam view.
Hope it doesn't rain. If it rains, it's fine. But I hope it doesn't rain.
Like a thunderstorm.
Yeah. I did check the weather. It's gonna thunderstorm.
Oh.
So we gotta get there fast. We need to refill our car.
Yeah.
We gotta
Alright,
get
let's go.
fast.
I'm gonna take my Honda. Wait, oops. I'm gonna take my Honda Avenue. I have luggage on this, so. Yeah. But some of the things we need look left and right.
We'll take my Land Rover.
Nice.
We got luggage. I'm gonna put some
You have
luggage in
entered
here.
dashcam view.
One in here. Then rest in my Range Rover.
Rest in the Range Rover.
Yep.
You have a spare tire on your Land Rover?
Yeah, spare tire if anything goes wrong. So we good.
You have exited dashcam view.
Alright, I'm gonna take my other Chevy SUV. I bought this car in July. It still works.
Yeah, I bought my Range Rover.
This is an under Or cover.
Also, my truck is on the cover.
Yes. These are a lot of cars we're taking in the
You have
road
entered
trip.
dashcam view.
Alright, I'm gonna load my luggage real quick. Don't forget to load your luggage.
Oh, I already did. But I'm actually
You
gonna
have
finish my
exited
last
dashcam
one.
view.
Alright, open the trunk.
Alright.
Yeah, put all of them in.
Put one in there.
It reaches all the way to the ceiling.
Two in here. Alright, I put all my luggages.
I'm gonna open the bed. Alright. We're good. Oh yeah, I forgot my Ford Taurus. Open that. Alright, we're good.
Alright, I'm gonna take my truck real quick. Also, turn off your car so we don't need to waste the gas.
Oh yeah. Need to turn off my other vehicles.
I'm gonna go to the gas station real quick.
Which gas station?
Gas station 5. I'll navigate it actually.
Me too.
The side of the road real quick. And just try to navigate. Gas station 5. Found it.
Alright.
Alright, it's a 4-star rating. Must be good. It takes like 2 minutes to get there.
Darting
so
route to gas station 5.
Alright, we
In
gotta go back.
0.4 miles, turn left.
I'm gonna make a U-turn. Good to see the GPS.
Yeah.
Alright. We'll come back for our cars soon.
Yeah.
I'll just pick up my brother and he can get all the cars.
Or we could just put them back in the house and get ready for a road trip. Feel like that's smarter, yeah. We should do that. Break. Stop sign, look left. Is that right? I forgot.
Right is right here.
Oh, yeah. I literally forgot. Alright, 0.1 mile, we turn left.
I just love my face. It feels like a roleplay car. Matter of fact.
Yeah. I mean, I have a little bit, some gas, but it's gonna be a long
Trip.
Turn
Yeah.
left.
Oh,
Speed
wrong
bump.
lane.
Turn right.
Mine's just turning.
In 100 feet, turn left.
100 feet.
Mine's
In
just
0.1
turning.
miles, turn right.
That's weird.
Oh, I went the wrong side. Oops.
600.
These speed bumps.
There
People speed here?
Yeah, it's a grocery store. That's crazy. Oh yeah, after gas we need to go to the grocery store.
Oh yeah, this grocery store.
Or should we go to the grocery store right now?
Nah.
Turn
We
right.
need a refill first. That's the most.
In 1.7 miles, turn left.
55 is speed limit. I should turn on cruise control.
Does my car have cruise control? Let me check.
55. Why is it going faster than 55? I'm just gonna turn on my car keep. Set cruise control.
Whoa! Oh god. You know I'm not turning on cruise control.
Yeah.
I almost rammed into you.
I'm gonna turn on the AC. How cold is it? Check your weather.
I don't think it's that cold. It's like 60 degrees outside.
Then I'll just do it a little bit.
Yeah, just make the AC a little hot. Right there is good. I put it on 81. Must be good. That was uphill. My car got a little stuck back there. So,
I bought this car in August. I made my 2027 sticker. This
we
car.
got everything good so we don't get arrested or like, get pulled over.
Yeah.
Everyone is out of town.
Yeah.
So,
Why my car is not moving?
it's an uphill, that's why.
Oh. Wait. Yeah, Eco does that. If you turn on.
I keep put sports mode.
Oh, yalla. Yeah. If you don't want to waste gas. I mean, it's $5 for premium these days.
cheapest.
Yeah, this is the cheapest we can find.
65 is.
Actually, I'm going
my
faster.
cruiser says.
No, it's 55.
My patrol course is 65. Oh well. The turn is good.
Turn left. In 200 feet, your destination is on the left. Your destination is on Station 5.
Alright.
Yep.
Put my phone away. I need a Supreme. Oh, it is actually $5.
I thought the gas price went down.
Alright, I did that. Alright. So now what? We go back home?
Damn.
Do we go back home?
Yeah, and get other cars.
Alright.
Hey, I want to refill my car.
Wait, what's my house number or your house?
Let me check real quick. Let me just get my gas.
I mean, I remember the destination. Should we take a car wash? My car is kind of dirty.
Sure.
Yeah.
I don't have a navigation for some reason. Let me just quickly put it in.
Or entrance.
I think it's
only.
house 21. It's supposed to be like 2 hours. Not 2
Oh,
hours.
alright.
House.
Wait, check your phone. You see your house number or not?
You have entered dash cam view.
What can you do? But I don't do it.
Yeah, so we don't need a navigation.
Right.
I did something illegal. I'm just going backwards.
My car is shiny and all dried up. So that's good. Like really, really good. So because we might go off-road. You don't know what's going on. I hope they fix the road backwards. The construction on the exit. Like somewhere. Where it is. Oh, near the grocery. Just
Yeah.
I hope they get to fix that. I'm going 80.
I'm going fast. I'm gonna slow down.
Just a bit.
My car has great acceleration.
Yeah, when I was seeing the feeling of a
I got 2 more. I feel like some of my cars don't need gas. Is it even gonna rain?
Yeah, I wonder.
I hope I don't jinx it.
Yeah, I hope you don't.
Yeah. Like literally.
Like, if you do, oh my god.
getting darker.
Was that lightning?
Oh.
Oh my god.
Oh, damn. Wait, what, you weren't behind me? Oh.
Yeah, I took the other half. Seriously, you just jinxed it.
Sorry. You're right there. Oh, guys, he's all the way over there. Is he over, like, over there?
Oh, you went that path. I went
Yeah.
somewhere else. Sorry.
Is our house straight ahead? I don't remember. Wait, it is. Wait, where's our cars?
It's like on your left.
It's raining hard. Oh, I found the house.
Hard.
Severe thunderstorm over here. I need to park my car in the garage. We still got to do the road trip because like, we paid so much for it.
Yeah. And we bought a new house from somewhere. So.
I'm actually gonna open the garage. I'm gonna open both of them. Oh, sorry, that was my house. Oh, that was my house.
Oh yeah, and just leave our cars outside. Right here. Because we're gonna go straight ahead. So
I'm unclaiming my house. Alright.
come here. We're gonna
Oh yeah. But what happened if the hail or the rain? Oh, that garage is not closed. Can you close it for me?
I'm gonna go to the nearest gas station. That much fuel.
Yeah.
So I'm gonna go to the nearest gas station with the Range Rover.
Yeah.
So it's gonna be quick. It's somewhere
We
near the
still gotta
station.
do the road trip.
We gotta do it fast.
Oh, I'm gonna go to the nearest
One,
gas
two,
station.
three.
Oh, I already have fuel on the Honda Avenue. Oh, I forgot. When are we going to the grocery store? Let me check this vehicle.
Can you go to the grocery store real quick?
Let me refill. This is the only car near refill. I remember my Taurus is already refilled.
Now my car's gonna get all
The gas station is right there.
here.
You know that's the turn left area, right?
Oh,
It's left
Get
only.
up in the road.
I can oops, I took the wrong way. I took the wrong way.
Yeah, this one has.
I hope I can turn around. No, I can't. I just gotta break the box. Oops, what? Oh. Alright. Oh,
Alright, refilled.
I'm gonna refill very quickly. It's raining so hard.
No, right? Start it raining?
I do gotta repair my car, but oh, it's almost good. I forgot to use my indicator.
Right? Then I'll fix my car. Right, I'm gonna take my Land Rover. Damn, this thing is.
You locked your car?
Yeah, I'm gonna lock one of them. Because when I'm far from it, I'll have model. I got a new model.
It is raining harder now. The lightning, the thunder, it's getting a lot.
Heavier.
Yeah. Let me check my Ford Taurus. Yeah, I'm good with that.
Oh, we can turn on red. Alright, I just saw the sign.
Yeah, you can turn it on. That's what I
After
do.
you stop. Just oh well.
I don't know why my Ford Taurus is always on. Oh, wait. I'm just gonna leave it. Can you unlock your truck for me?
For what?
I just gotta move it.
To give space?
Yeah.
Okay, my keys. Aha.
Okay, thank you. I left a little space so we can literally just walk.
Are you good?
Yeah, I'm just good with the field.
I'm gonna lock it.
We have to go to the grocery store.
Yeah, can you quickly do that real quick?
I'm gonna take my SUV. Oh, that's close.
Oh, hi.
I love the Honda Avenue.
I didn't fit in parking.
Grocery store. It's turning night.
We're gonna get
Wait, where's the... Oh, that's not the gas station. I mean, grocery store. There's... What should I get?
like eggs, something important.
We can cook, yeah. We can cook over there.
Like you can make just grab this.
Yeah, we'll go. Damn, there was a speed bump. I didn't even see that. Grocery store. Doesn't say no parking though. I'm gonna grab a cart. Where do we go? Oh, I went the wrong entrance. All right, what should I buy? I'm gonna pick up some mangoes here, some apple. I'm gonna get more apples. Just two. Yeah. A watermelon. One should be good. Lemon. Lime. Lemon lime. Tangria. And melon.
Ooh, we never tried what
Strawberries. Yeah, we need to make strawberry shake.
strawberry milkshake.
We need kale.
Alright, I'm waiting for you.
We need potatoes if you want to make fresh potatoes.
Yeah.
I'm gonna get 2 more. Alright. I'm gonna get some butter. Organic butter. And milk carton. 2 of them. Eggs. Yeah, we really need eggs.
Like buy 2.
Oh, we need shrimp. Is there any trout here? cod, salmon. Yeah, I like salmon. Wings, chicken. Let's see if it's halal. Yeah, it is. Oh, my cart is full. But is there? Yeah, I'm gonna go check out. But there's fresh bakes. Oh, I'm gonna put my cart here. Wait, can you come so you can help me?
Sure. What car?
Start checkout.
Do you need help?
Getting more stuff. Yeah.
I turned my fog lights because I can barely see. So.
Please swipe your card.
All right.
Thanks for shopping with us.
Thank you. Have a great day. All right. I'm gonna load everything in the car. Should be.
Alright, I'm going.
All right.
Do we need bread in it?
Yeah. Can you get that for me?
I'm grabbing all the vegetables and fruits.
All right. Grocery bag. Put it in there.
We're just gonna get 3 tomatoes.
I'm gonna go home. Make sure to get some desserts.
Sure.
What time is it? I'm gonna check my phone. 1 a.m. 1 a.m. We better. I don't think we should go to sleep right now. You think so? Okay, then we just miss our trip.
We gotta get there.
ASAP.
Oh, got some one more potato. Do we need milk? No.
I already got some, so it's fine.
Oh, what do we need again?
Some desserts. Did it pass my house?
I can't get the dessert.
It's closed? Oh, it's fine.
It's a bag of chips.
Oh,
You want salty?
salty what?
Never mind. Oh, salty chips right here. I got salty chips.
What was it?
Salty sticks.
Oh, yeah. Oh, damn, my car is stuck.
Can you reverse?
I tried it. I will try. Sports mode. Not gonna work. All my wheels are stuck.
Is it rear wheel or all wheel?
All wheel. Let me check that. I actually don't know. Because what I think, I actually don't know.
Alright, I'm finished. I got everything.
Oh, almost there. And I got out. Good help to my
Oh, I got
sports.
some batteries.
Yeah. So we can light up the
I
stove.
got batteries.
But, I mean, using batteries.
Hand soap. I'm gonna grab 2 just in case.
You got 2 hand soap?
We're fighting those 2 syrup. I'm gonna grab all the syrup. Let's try all these new things. Oh, I couldn't bite
Toothpaste? Are the doors locked?
Our house?
Yeah.
Yeah, I locked it.
Oh, good. I'm gonna ring the doorbell. You need some curtains with your bedroom. Someone must be watching you.
Alright, that was $72.
Mine was 60 something. 70. It was 71, maybe.
72.
Grocery prices are going. Ooh, this is a nice house. Never seen it.
Grab my mercy.
You going to your car?
Oh, my car's in there. I thought my car was this one. All right. Boom, 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 boom.
All right. You're coming back and we go to the road trip?
Yep.
Taking that car.
All right, I'm coming.
All right.
Just stay in your car because I'm there already. Ready for the road trip?
Yeah. We're going to take all the cars to the road trip because some of our cars have luggages and important stuff. You know what? You're leading, right?
Just get out. I'm already starting.
Can you tell me where is it?
Sure. Come right now to the fire station. Right there.
All right.
So just turn around.
Yeah, I'm gonna turn around. Yeah, that way. When I see the turn, should I turn left or right?
Left.
Yeah, left. I was.
We will see you guys when they put all the cars in the place we're going.
Yeah.
Wait, after I'm gonna show you where we're going. Then we'll
Yeah.
yeah. Put all the cars. All right. I forgot. Yeah, we're turning. I remember.
Oh, I'm coming.
It's still raining. It's been a whole day.
Yeah. Right.
Exited dash cam.
All right.
So I think my brother will buy the house. It has a long driveway,
Yeah.
and it's near where we're going, so it's good. I just put my sirens on. I want just to
You mean your light just shining?
you are quick. I actually,
Yeah.
I want to put the back for our new house.
Should be somewhere.
Right here on the left.
Oh, and we're moving.
Yeah, I got everything on the truck. I didn't tell you when I got everything.
Oh, yeah.
I was working silently. Yeah, no, not that house. Not that house. Somewhere next door.
Wait, the house that you just passed is 2-story.
Yeah, it's tiny garage.
Oh, yeah. I forgot.
We're gonna visit our house sometimes.
All right.
I'm right here. Yep, right here. The longest driveway. You like this house?
Yeah, I love this house.
But just buy it and just gonna rent it for a while. Alright. Just don't park in the garage. Park outside. Alright, we'll see you when we are getting all of our cars.
Alright, as you can see, we moved into our new house and all the cars are here. If you want to watch more, just stay tuned. Remember to ring that bell and like and subscribe.